Hey, what's up everyone, Andre here, Detail Keeper. I'm coming to you as a reminder about our virtual shop where you can shop your coating along with the rest of our services that best fit your needs. So if you're looking to protect that new ride from the harsh road conditions and Florida elements for the longevity of your ownership, or you're looking to add that shine and luster back into a ride you already own, you can go straight to our shop in one of our social media links and view our store and browse the store. So what you're going to do is just browse the store and then pick the best price and package that fits your needs, add it to your cart, and schedule what date best fits for you. We'll call and confirm the booking right via text or call you directly. So be sure to also click the link below and view the virtual shop, add the best coating or service that fits your needs, schedule it, we'll call to confirm, and then we'll get you booked and looking your best. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.